next year bike. It's going to have the V4 engine if the V4 engine with the V4 bike is faster than the actual bike.
Yamaha is back in the spotlight. Quietly, the Japanese manufacturer has been testing a prototype YZR-M1 powered by a V4 engine. A leaked video that went viral on social media shows a mysterious blacked-out bike, believed to be the next-gen YZR-M1 V4. Unfortunately, the video quality is poor, low resolution, shot from a distance, and the entire bike is covered in matte black. But one thing stands out loud and clear: the sound, the deep, rumbling growl of a V4 with a big bang firing order is unmistakable, very reminiscent of Ducati or Aprilia. I tried zooming in on the footage, but the details are still hard to make out. The dark paint scheme makes it nearly impossible to distinguish the components. At a glance, it looks a lot like the older YZR-M1 with the inline 4. There's no visible exhaust pipe from a rear cylinder, as you'd typically expect on a V4. Could Yamaha be hiding the exhaust under the tail section? If so, that's interesting, because it might suggest they're developing this engine without a mass damper, which is usually used to reduce vibrations. The bike's dimensions also don't appear noticeably slimmer, which you'd expect if the cylinder layout changed from inline to V4. The frame, aero design, and swing arm all look nearly identical to the previous version. But there is one curious detail: an extra sensor mounted on the chassis, likely related to a new electronics system. Rumor has it Yamaha is working on an advanced ride-by-wire setup, paired with AI-driven algorithms to optimize power delivery for the V4, something they've never done before. Yamaha's focus isn't just on the engine, they're also pushing hard in aerodynamics and electronics, even bringing in Marco Nicotra, a former Ducati engineer, to fine-tune the winglet design and traction control system to better suit a V4 powerplant. Still, switching to a V4 isn't a guaranteed fix. While it may promise more power on paper, its performance depends heavily on chassis balance and electronics. Just look at Honda, they've run V4s for years and still struggle with consistency. Yamaha has officially confirmed that they've been testing a V4 engine in private sessions. And according to trusted sources, top riders like Fabio Quartararo and Rins will get to test the prototype during the upcoming official test at Jerez later this month. A key figure in this project is Luca Marmarini, former F1 engineer and Aprilia consultant, who's now helping Yamaha design their V4 using his vast high-performance engine experience. If that viral video really shows the YZR-M1 V4, then Yamaha might be gearing up for a major revolution to get back on top in MotoGP. But until we see clearer proof, skepticism is still on the table. Is this truly a V4 engine, or just a clever smokescreen to throw off the competition?